Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about what will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. There may be some questions about plank and how can it affect your body? What are the results of doing plank every day? How can I do plank in a safe way? How long should I do planks to see results? Is a 1 minute plank enough? We will talk about all of these topics in this video, so stay tuned with us to get your answers. If you're experiencing back pain from sitting at an office desk all day, here's some good news: planks can help improve your posture. By strengthening your back, chest, shoulders, neck, and abs, this exercise makes it easier to keep your shoulders back and your lower back in a neutral position while sitting or standing, two vital components of good posture. Planks also help you develop isometric strength in your core muscles, which gives you the power to keep from hunching while standing or sitting for long periods of time. While it may not feel like it, planks are a great way to stretch out the lower half of your body. Getting into the hold position lengthens your hamstrings as well as the arches of your feet, making the plank pose a dual strength and stretch exercise. If you want to stretch your sides, side planks with an extended arm can target that individual area of your body. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. What is plank? Planks are a simple and power-packed total body exercise helping you strengthen your lower and upper body, engage your core, and stabilize your joints. If you do just 1 minute of planks in a day, you can achieve wonderful results over time. The most common form of plank is the forearm plank, which is held in a push-up-like position, with the body's weight borne on forearms, elbows, and toes. In sports like yoga, Pilates, boxing, and other sports, plank is practiced. There are primary muscles and secondary muscles which are involved in doing plank exercise. How to do it? One of the most effective ways for doing plank is to lift an arm or leg. Keep the abdominal muscles engaged and don't let the belly to decrease and hips to move up. To avoid pushing your hips and butt out, incline the pelvis facing the floor. The process of breathing is really significant, so breathe in and breathe out slowly and regularly. There are an array of advantages brought by doing plank every day for 1 minute. Stay with us to mention some of them below. Number 1. Metabolism booster. An excellent way of challenging your entire body is plank, since doing it routinely helps you burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Your core muscles strengthened by daily doing will ensure you burn more energy, even when you are sedentary. For those who sit in front of a computer for the majority of the day, it is really important. Thus, not only doing this exercise can enhance your metabolic rate, but also keep your metabolism high all day. Number 2. Improved mood. Our nerves can be affected by plank exercises, which make it a good way for changing and switching mood and temper. The reason is that our muscle groups which are associated with stress and tension in the body can be stretched out. After sitting for a long time at home or at the workplace, your muscles get tight, your legs get heavy because of being bent for hours, and for slumping forward, tension in your shoulder is developed. In fact, if you make it as a part of your daily life, you can get away stress from your muscles and nerves, since in addition to its effect on the body, it can calm your brain as well as help you treat anxiety and depression. Number 3. Lower the risk of getting injured. Building muscle mass is another benefit of day-to-day plank exercise, which can make you sure that you achieve it without any much pressure on the back and hips. Your back and neck pain can be reduced as a result of strengthened muscles which ensure strong support of the back, mostly at the top. Number 4. Improving body posture. This plank exercise strengthens the core, leading to improved body posture. So you can keep the right body posture at any circumstances because abdominal muscles have an effect on the condition of neck, shoulders, chest, arms and back. If you cannot stand straight or pull your shoulders forward, doing a constant plank as a daily routine is really effective and helpful. Number 5. Flexibility. Being more flexible than any before is considered as one of the most important benefits offered by regular planks. So you can expand and extend shoulders, shoulder blades and collarbone. Moreover, you are able to tension hamstrings, leg loops and toes as a result. Number 6. Improve running. Strong core and an efficient transfer of power between the upper and lower halves play a pivotal role in running. In running, your shoulders are responsible for creating an efficient arm swing, and the arm swing needs to be coordinated with your leg swing. And what connects the shoulders and the hips are the muscles of the core, which can get strong through a daily correct plank. Thus your improved running ability can be guaranteed by it. Number 7. Improving stability. Standing on one leg is really hard, and it is not possible for ordinary people to keep their balance for more than a few seconds as their abdominal muscles are not strong enough to sustain their stability. But you are able to make your body stable just by doing plank, leading to efficiency improvement in every kind of sort activity. Doing plank is one of the most effective exercises you can inject into your daily lives. It can change your life in every aspect. So, if you want to improve your general health, fitness, posture, and daily functioning, start it now without any hesitation. But notice to do it in the right position without any mistakes. Share your ideas and experiences about regularly doing planks and its impacts with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.